Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'll show you how to disable startup apps in Windows to speed up your boot time. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TechFox for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, press Ctrl, Shift and Escape button together. It will open your task manager. You can also open your task manager by doing this. If it opens in a simple view, click on More Details. Now click on Startup tab at the top. Here you will see a list of all the apps that start when your computer boots up. Look through the list and find the apps you don't want to start automatically. To disable an app, just right click on it and select Disable. Once you have disabled the unnecessary apps, you won't start up the next time you turn on your computer. But remember, disabling too many critical apps may affect performance. So make sure to only disable the ones you don't need right away. And that's it. You have successfully disabled startup apps and improved your boot time. If this helped, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to Mr. TechFox for more quick tech tips. See you next time.